Alrighty, here we go. There we go. We just we're live. Let's go ahead and cover our watch list today. I'm really not seeing anything too crazy. Maybe we'll be able to see this start to again, guys, Fridays are usually slow. So right now we have 5 stocks on our watch list. We might look to take some off. We have a prior day mover and then also some with news. We're going to start out with EXN. EXN is our leading gapper, gapping up 85%. I don't see any company specific news. Now, EXN is a resources company. Not really too sure what they do, but they closed yesterday at around $1. A little under $1, hit a pre-market high of $3.66. Now sitting at $1.81. So maybe a nice washout long for the move higher. Again, I don't see any volume, so I don't like it. But we do have EXN does have a stupid good amount of volume today, a low float. So EXN is one of our top stocks to watch. We have GFAI. GFAI is our second leading gapper, gapping up 60% with a relative volume of around 3x and a $14 million float. So the float works, the volume works, and now there is also news. Enters agreement to acquire another company for $10 million. So that's what I like to see. This is definitely a top stock that we're going to watch. With PZG gapping up 30% with a relative volume of around 20x, maybe 10x. It would be more, maybe even more than that. I can't even do that math in my head. It's a very good amount of volume with a medium float of 35 million. This hits our criteria. I like PZG. They have news as well. Wait, no, they don't have news. I don't see any news for them. Actually, I was reading dates previously. So we have CLSD as well. Lowers price target to $10. CLSD also has around a 5x relative volume and a 50 million float. So this is definitely a good stock to watch, but not our top stock. We have AGRI, no news. It was a runner yesterday, absolutely ripping from $2.12 all the way up to $5 and closed at $3.42. We're gapping down now, down to $3.03. Might be looking for a nice mid-candle breakout. I would like to see if we can crack above the close of yesterday at 342. If we can crack above the close of yesterday, I do think we're going to see us rip all the way up to 380 and $4 potentially. So we'll have to see if we can crack that close as well. Not seeing much news. It is the 11th. Now, I don't really see too much on our watch list. Nothing's popping off right now. We might have, there's a double bottom on PSG that you could have taken. Maybe, I don't know, because it made a new low. Not a huge fan of it. I'm not really watching anything at the moment, not really liking anything at the moment. So we're just going to be sitting on our hands, waiting for a good opportunity, waiting for the best. Again, Fridays are slower. Fridays are slow. We know that from history. Fridays don't have as much news, don't have as much volume. It's not a good, Friday is not a good day to go full in unless you see a great setup and something's absolutely ripping and running. Now, we're not going to trade like that unless we see the liquidity in all of the traders move to one stock. GFAI does look like we are ripping up. Actually, we're at 90 cents now. I actually do like this. We actually broke the downtrend, came back, retested above the VWAP, 9 EMA, 20 EMA, and 50 SMA. So that would have been a perfect stop. That would have been a perfect entry almost. Decreasing volume. You could have made 5% on that trade. I don't like trading pre-markets and small trends like this, so I did not take it. And I also didn't see it. I'm not going to, so yeah. Thank you guys for stopping into the stream. We have 300 likes. Thank you so much. If you guys could share, copy link, I'd really appreciate it. TikTok pushes the stream more. All right, guys. So what are we going to do today? Right now, we are going to really just sit back and wait and be patient. We have GFAI. Not really doing much. Sorry, I keep hitting my mic on YouTube. Sorry, I'm still getting used to my mic being right next to my head. I got a boom arm now. I've had this boom arm for a long time, but I really just started putting it close to my mouth and my face because it's just better audio. Except when I hit it. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you guys for the follow. What are you guys looking at? I'm not liking anything in my opinion. We have this. Let's go and look at the SPY. The SPY's whoops. The SPY decreasing volume to the upside, but we're also moving down. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of this. Very choppy. I do think we're going to see the SPY come down to 400. I wouldn't be surprised. So right now, I'm just sitting on my hands waiting for a good opportunity, not seeing anything, nothing crazy. There's EXN. There's the nice dump from EXN because there's no news, guys. This is gapping up. This is over 100% in pre-market. It's going to give back some profits. It does not have a catalyst to be moving, so do not jump in on it right now. GFAI also has some news, so I would be looking for this one for a nice washout long. This is a previous. Every time we gap up, gapped a tiny bit, gapped up, ran, gave back, gapped up, ran, and then gave everything back. So for GFAI, things like to gap up and run. What about EXN? EXN, not really seeing too many gap ups. We have a gap up and then give everything back. Not really seeing anything. We have GFAI. We already did that one. PZG, not liking it. We gapped up a lot, ran a little bit, and then gave most of it back. So we have to worry about this. This is going to probably give most of the profits back. We might see a nice run, but we're going to have to see it maybe crack 136 if we want to see it absolutely continue to move. Maybe we see a pullback. We're seeing that pullback down into this level now. Maybe we can hold this. If we can hold this during pre-market and at open, I would be looking to take this back up to around 110. Would be looking to take this around back up to like 110, 115, maybe VWAP, cross VWAP, and continue higher for PZG. No news though. We have CLSD. We can see that we gapped up, ran, gave everything back, ran, gave everything back, gapped up, ran, gave most of it back. So this CLSD likes to give everything back, but it also likes to run. AGRI ran. So this thing can absolutely move. AGRI, this was a big runner yesterday. We're going to keep this one on watch. Thank you guys for stopping in. Thank you for the follow. Thank you. We're at 1,100 likes. I know we can get to 2,000. Thank you guys so much. Right now, we're just being patient and being disciplined. Again, traders, as a trader, let's go ahead and cover my P&L. Why not cover my P&L for the month? Let's go ahead and cover my P&L for the month and see how it's going. Right now, this week, I'm up $132 this week. Overall, this month, I'm up 45 bucks. I would be a lot more, but Friday of last week, I did not have a trade plan, and I lost more than I should have. Let's see if we can keep this week green, and then hopefully continue to kill March. I mean, right now we're doing good. We had a big loss, bigger than what we should have, but we've been able to keep it green. So let's see if we can actually do it and keep it green. Now, yeah, EXN is going to be a back burner. GFAI, not really liking it. All right. We're really just sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity. I know I'm a broken record, but that's all trading is about. Trading's about being disciplined and just being ready to take on whatever comes at you. You react. You don't try to anticipate. I'm just playing it patient, sitting on my hands. We have 13 minutes left till market open, which is okay. I mean, I'm just going to be ready for anything that comes at me. Let's get some music going. you guys don't know, I also have a MacBook right here. It's pretty old. My dad's old one. He gave it to me. About an inch thick, but it's pretty nice. I mean, this is the whole setup. I'll go ahead and flip my camera. The whole setup. I got my calendar. I've just started to use Google Calendar because I've been using paper, music, and then I got my actual trading setup. So right now it's pretty. I know the wires. You don't have to look at the wires. You can't. It's hard to see. Wires are pretty confined into that one space. If you look right here, the mic's covering the wires. You can't even see the wires. I don't even know what you're talking about. Look. So, yeah. I don't know. But yeah, I mean, this is what I do. This is this is how I make my money. Or this is how I'm going to make my money. Right now, I'm trying to be a profitable trader. On February, I had my first profitable month. And then hopefully we can keep March and continue to just build and build and build. March so far we are profitable. I had a very bad red day, but I was able to overcome that and become profitable again. We're going to see if we can continue to do that and continue to take you guys through the journey of actually becoming a profitable day trader. As you guys know, I've been day trading since January of last year. January of last year, I had no idea what the RSI was. Done a stupid amount of research. Done everything, and I mean, I was traded in the simulator for months and months and months. Then I actually jumped into live markets in August. So I've been trading in the live markets August, November, August, September, November, December, January, February. So I've been trading for around 7.5 months, actually in the market. And I actually had my first profitable month last month. So it took me around 6 months to become profitable, which is amazing. Some people, it takes 2, 3, 4 years to become profitable because they don't put that time and education before and actually jump into a simulator before they jump into the live markets. So I am down on my account overall, which is fine. I'm not focused on my account. I'm only focused on my P&L and my consistency. And I'm becoming more and more consistent as I become more and more experienced. So if you guys want to follow along the journey, make sure to give me a follow here. And I'll definitely keep you guys updated. I'm going to take you guys through everything from just being a trader to becoming actually profitable. I mean, right now we have around 9 minutes left till market open. We're sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity. Hopefully close this week out green. If I can close this week out green, I'll be on my 5th day in a row being green, and we'll have to see what happens. I mean, I know we can do it. We just got to be consistent and disciplined traders. So I mean, right now, I'm not seeing anything on our. I'm not seeing anything. AGRI is getting a nice bounce here. We have STNG. People are looking for a nice mid-candle breakout. So we have yesterday's high, or 2 days ago high, at 170. The close yesterday, or the low in the highs of yesterday. We are back above, maybe a nice washout down to 138 for a nice buy. Maybe buy it all the way back up to 150 potentially. This is not, I don't really like this as much as some other plays. I'm not a huge fan of actually mid-candle breakouts. I don't really trade it. It's not my strategy. Most of my strategies are momentum plays, dip plays. I mean, we might have room back up to the close, back up at 160, 162. So that would be ideal. I'm going to be looking for SNTG for a nice pop higher. EXN dumping off 160. I think this is most likely going to die off for the rest of the day for EXN. People are going to be taking profits because they're still up 50% at the moment, I think, right now. Yeah, up 71% for GFA. GFAI is up 71%. Oh my goodness. Woo! What is going on? We have the pre-market high at 94 cents. If we can break above that, GFAN is absolutely going to rip. Break above that previous high, and we're going to see it rip all the way up to 110, potentially is our first target. Now, I'm going to actually adjust that to, we have some at 120 and then possibly at 140. We're going to have to see what happens. We broke a new high. There it is. Broke a new high. Let's see if we can crack one. If we can crack one, that'd be ideal. I like this a lot here. I would be looking for a nice dip and a washout for the move higher. We have around 7 minutes left till market open. I'm going to be looking to take this for a very, very nice play. Dip play, nice, quick, in and out. Boom, boom. Maybe catch, if we can, from where it is right now, I want to see it come back, retest this low. I mean, how much is this? This quick move in 2 minutes is 8%. 8% in 2 minutes. I don't know about you, but I'm totally good with 8% in 2 minutes. If we can make 8% in 2 minutes, we are doing awesome. We have 5 minutes left till market open. We are going to be sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity. GFAI is possibly forming a nice, good opportunity here to actually have a washout long, to actually make some money in the market. Again, we're going to be disciplined and responsible traders. What are a couple things that you have to identify before you jump into a trade? Now, there's one word for it. It's a trade plan, but that you can break that down a little bit more. You have to have risk. Your risk has to be below 3% per trade. Now, you have to find out if your portfolio size is $1,000, you can't risk more than $30 on a trade. So if you're risking $30 on a trade, 3%, that trade better profit you at most. You should have a target of 6%, first target, 6%, 7%, 8%, and continue higher. Again, you could do it by a unit of risk. Let's say you're risking 30 cents. Okay, so if it goes 30 cents in your direction, that's 1R, plus 1R. If it goes 30 cents away from you, if it's at $1, then or not even at $1, if it's at $10 and it moves back 3%, that's 1R. R is relative in a unit that we use per risk per capita. And you can sell at 1R, 2R, 3R, 4R. So if you're risking 2%, every 2% that the stock goes in your direction, if it goes 2%, that's 1R. 4%, that's 2R. 6%, that's 3R. So we are going to just use that to our advantage and continue to make some money and be profitable. We are getting some selling pressure up around 96 cents. At GFAI, looking for a nice dip. I mean, this volume is a little bit too much. People are looking to sell, but I'm not looking to take it at the moment. Is considering to I don't know if you guys knew this. The SEC is considering to settling trades. The SEC is considering settling trades via one business day, and I don't even know how to word that. SEC settlement trade, SEC trade settlements one business day. All right. Guys, that's pretty good. That's pretty good news. News, and we want news. Give me 1 sec, team. Sorry about this. So I don't know if you guys, the SEC has proposed to speed up this trade settlement time to 1 business day instead of 2. We have 50 seconds left. Here we go. Maybe looking for a nice 1,000 shares here. Maybe looking for a nice 1,000 shares. Maybe we can get a nice 1,000 shares here. Nice, pretty low. Nice, do for a washout for a nice pop. Nice washout down to 90 potentially. With room back up to 98, 95. If I can catch around 5 cents here, that would be ideal. We have 18 seconds left. Let's see what we can do. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, live. Oh, I forgot. I don't have my audio on. Not liking this. It's not going to be a washout long. Looks like it's just going to make a new high. Looks like it is getting a beat down with CLSD. GFAI getting very, very just kind of not seeing anything rip and run at the moment. We have EXEN. EXEN, a perfect washout long. You're up around 13 cents a share now. Oh, we have GFAI ripping, AGRI ripping. AGRI ripping as well as Hall levels at 39. AGRI is getting rejected. We also have GFAI. GFAI also ripping, getting rejected, hit $1. Getting rejected. I think GFAI has more room lower. AGRI. Looking for very light volume. Oh, man. Oh, GFAI is halted. GFAI is halted. No, it's not halted. We are not halted yet. Thought we were. Thought we were going to get halted, but we're not. GFAI did get a nice pop, increasing volume into this 104. Cracked above. Look for a nice pullback here. Again, it is Friday, so we're not going to take any breakout trades at the moment. Thank you guys. We're at 2,000 likes. I want to see this. Oh man, that would have been a great trade right there. Couldn't have known though. Let's see it break 104. We have a lot of selling pressure at 104. Break 104, we're going to see it pop. If we break 104, we're going to see a nice pop. Didn't break it though. You got a buying wall at $1 now. We have a buying wall at $1. Let's see a nice pop over 104. We have decreasing volume. There's 105. There's 106. There's 10. We're going to see 107 here, I bet. 107. Nope. We have a buying pressure 107, 108. There it is. We have 113 is the halt level. We are getting some selling now at GFAI. We are getting some selling. CLSD. My stops are below. My stops are below. All right, 95. We have a buying wall. Someone's trying to buy 40,000 shares at 104. Yeah, GFAI is the top stock to watch. Halt level right now is at 116, excuse me. All my attention is at GFAI at the moment. Yep, we're coming into some selling now. Coming into some selling. Looking for a nice pullback down to 1. Looking for a nice pullback down to 1. Stops are below 1. Looking for a nice bounce here. Looking for decreasing volume. That's what we're seeing. Good morning, Yasmin. How you doing? Low float, new IPO, lots of hype on social media. We have MGLD. Oh yeah, ripping. New IPO. Oh my gosh, this was at 212 and now it's at... Okay, yeah, we're gapping up a lot here. I like it. Oh, I missed it. I missed the halt on GFAI. I wanted to get in, but I missed it. GFAI is our top stock to watch. I mean, we have MGLD, new IPO, a lot of hype. Don't want to see it get rejected here. Got rejected off $6 here. GFAI was halted at 9:39. We're gonna be live at 9:44. $9 million shares traded today so far. SNTG, nice rug pull. Bleeding. Yasmin, if you're still here, I really you're always in the stream. You're always having a good attitude. I have a call with Josh. He's the head trader in Alpha Day Trading. I'm going to see if we can get you a really nice discount code. Because I mean, I wouldn't have known about MGLD. Neither would the team. I alerted the team. So I mean, really, I think you're providing value, and I think Alpha Day Trading would be a good community for you. So I'm going to see what I can do. See if I can catch you a nice code, possibly just to join and see what's up. So yeah, I'll see what I can do, see what I can look into. We have halt level for EXTN at 189, 190. GFAI is going to be unhalted here in around 2 minutes. There was a perfect halt strategy, but I wasn't able to capitalize on it. Not halt strategy, bull flag. I wanted to enter, but I didn't. Don't know why. I guess increasing volume on the pullback, there's really no way I could have known. Always here, or if I miss, I replay the stream. I appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, no, you've been one of my main supporters for the longest time. So I'm gonna see if I can what I can help you with. And I mean, it's a great. You've watched my whole career really when I first started trading. Now it's just getting better and better. I don't know if you know, Yasmin, but the SEC has proposed to move trade settlement times to 1 day instead of 2 days. Meaning that if right now I have a cash account, what the amount of money I trade today won't be live. I won't be able to use that money until Tuesday of next week. But with this 1 day settlement time, I'll be able to use this money tomorrow or on Monday instead of Tuesday. So it's going to be amazing. We have 10 minutes until GFAI gets unhalted here. Oh man. MGLD at 550. All right. Let's see GFAI. Not liking it. MGLD is probably the stock that I'm going to keep on watch here. I want to see a pullback down to 5. Oh, we have GFAI for a nice bull flag potentially on the 5-minute. Decreasing volume. No one's looking to sell here. No one is looking to sell. Come back down to this level. Come back down to 110. Oh, man, dude. Oh, man, that's ripping up. I knew that I just wasn't quick enough. I knew it. Come down and retest. We have a nice bullish engulfing candle. Let's see if we can get a nice pullback here for a nice scalp entry. It doesn't look like it's going to slow down. It doesn't look like it's going to slow down. I'm not going to buy at the top here. Don't like it. I missed the entry. I knew it was going to slow down. We had very light volume on the 9 EMA, but I wasn't able to capitalize on it. Hall levels at 128. Let's see this rip up and get halted. Yeah, we got profits inside of chat. GFAI, I want to see decreasing volume. I like that we popped up above. Might have a bigger pullback though. I don't like that we opened up and closed below. Might be a... Might have a trend line here. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch with the new high. Let's see a nice decreasing volume pullback for a nice bounce here. Looks like we might break all levels at 131. Let's see it get up, rip up, and get into a. Let's see it rip up and start see bids stacking. $107, $127. Let's see at $127. Let's see it. Let's see if people start to people are absolutely killing it on GFAI so far. Oh my gosh, we're absolutely ripping. I'm looking for a pullback here. This would have been a perfect trade. It would have been oh my gosh. I think I'm going to go with MGLD at the moment because I'm not a huge fan of GFAI. Let's see if we can catch like a move here. I have 200 shares, so I'd be looking for around 15 cents. I would be looking for around 15 cents, but I would be looking for more than that actually. Yeah, I'm not in the zone either. I missed this trade, even though I knew that I saw very light volume and we popped up. This would have been a perfect trade off the 200 SMA. This would have been, but I wasn't in the zone. I would have taken that every other day of the week. We have GFAI looking to get halted now. Let's see, haul levels at 133. Let's see it start to get stacked. Let's see it start to stack here. I want to see it pop 130 and then start to stack. Pop 130. I want to see a stack here. I want to see a decreasing volume pullback from MGLD. People are just looking to buy this up. Nobody's looking to sell. I want to see decreasing volume. Here we go. Starting to get that pullback. Yeah, Yasmin. So I'll talk to Josh Howerton with Alpha Day Trading today, and I will let you know next time you pop into the stream. All right. I mean, MGLD is absolutely ripping. It doesn't seem like it wants to stop. It doesn't seem like it wants to stop. I want to see another decreasing volume pullback. Oh, man. Man, I should have bought off the 9 EMA there. Should have bought off the 9 EMA. Not liking that. I'm starting to get a little FOMO and a little anxious, so I have to chill out for a little bit. We have GFAI back up. Nice higher low. I do think we're going to crack this uptrend and continue lower for GFAI. MGLD now. I'm looking for MGL. We have high volume on this doji candle. Want to see a pullback here. No way. Oh my gosh, someone just made $9,300 profit in chat. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Profits. Jester with $9,000 MGLD. Woo! Absolutely killing it. Today we have 108, 9,000. 104, I think that was today. Yeah, 114. Yesterday, 100. Yesterday, 185. Yesterday, 113. Me with $35 on the day, guys. People are absolutely killing it in chat. Could be a nice double bottom here. I went in with 100 shares, very, very light, very cheap. Want to see volume start to step in here? No. Might have to cut it if it drops below. Might have to cut it if it drops below. I might have anticipated this a little bit too early. So I have to cut it here. I have to cut it if I do get stopped out. I have to cut it. I entered at 140 or 640, 650. There it is. I want to see some volume start to step in and confirmation 172 potentially. Want to see some volume start to step in here. Oh. I'm going to look to scale in with this other position here. Looking for the move back up to 7. Looking for the move back up to 7 and then 750. Looks like I'm about to get stopped out here, which is okay. Getting increasing volume now. Let's see if this doji candle can close green. Let's see if this can close green. Might be looking for a nice pop higher. Looking for a pop above the open, above the close of this one. I'll be looking to scale in here. Looking for a nice move higher here. Looking for it to continue to rip. Looking for it to continue to rip here. Break above. Continue to break. There's the break. I'm going to go and sell 50 there. I have 150 shares left. I'm going to keep this 100 shares. Gonna sell more there at 50 shares long. Gonna let this 50 shares ride. I'm gonna go ahead and sell some there. I'll take $48 in the day. Woo! Awesome, awesome. Guys, we're absolutely killing it. I sold too early, I bet. Watch, I sold too early, but we do have higher volume on a low spread. You do got to sell into that high volume, low spread because they're looking at sellers. Maybe we're having a double top, maybe room lower. We'll have to see what happens. We have 3 seconds left. I'll take my profits today. Woo! That's what I like to see. Scaled in on the break. Made a nice 3, 4, 5%. That's what I like. Awesome, awesome. Guys, I sold perfectly there. Have a nice pullback now. That's what I like to see. We are going to take our profits and run this Friday. Today, we have $48.74 plus $47, $48.74. Nothing crazy, but I will keep that. Make that money. Woo! Guys, $48, an extra $50 a day, and I'm done by 10. Done by 10. And there's the dump. I'm going to continue to just get these small wins. Let's go ahead and update our P&L today. So this month, yep. All right, this month, or so far, we made 48.74. Oh yeah, guys, we love it. This is what we do. Thank you so much. Made $181 this week. I'm all green this week. That's what I like to see. Right now, my win percentage is around. Wait. All right. There we go. There we go. That's awesome, awesome. All right, I'm going to end the stream. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you for, if you want to check out more of Alpha, get more trading content, go ahead and link in my bio. I'm good at Alpha Day Trading. If you want to continue to get the stream, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, Yasmin. I will talk to you later. Thank you for stopping in. I really appreciate it. We will be in contact about the Alpha membership because I do believe you will find plenty of value, and I believe you will provide value to the community. You've been a supporter of, again, me in just Alpha Day Trading for a while. So we're going to see what we can do. Thank you so much, and I'll see you bright and early Monday morning.